Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss most important characteristics of big data. That is, after watching a data related problem, how you can classify whether big data is required for solving that particular problem or not. Okay, not every problems are big data problem. Okay, so what are the fundamental characteristics of big data problem? First one should be volume. Okay, that is size of the data should be very huge. Okay, very high volume data. Okay, then variety. Okay, so variety means diversity or heterogeneous data, not homogeneous data. Okay, that is complexity of the data will be more. Variety means what? That is, that need not be only numerical or string type data. It can be latitude longitude type geospatial data, or maybe image or audio video sensor data. Okay, all those comes under variety. Then velocity of the data. Velocity means, suppose, for example, as I have told you earlier also, Twitter tweets, Facebook post, Instagram photos, videos, all these things, that is, which are coming continuously. That is, it is not stagnant, it has some speed. Okay, real time action we can perform on this flowing data having some velocity. Okay, like for example, you are surfing in website. Okay, maybe for online marketing. Okay, now whatever you have searched, just after that search instant, when you go to some other web page, that particular product ad might come up in that web page also, so that you attract to that particular product. Okay, and this particular computation in the back end should be done very fast, because if you are computing that particular recommendation slowly, that means taking late decision, then you will miss your opportunity, you will miss your customers. Okay, so velocity, very high velocity also characteristics of big data. Then veracity, what is that? That is quality of the data. Okay, because when you can simply understand, when you have very high volume of data, then that will have bias, noise, abnormality. Okay, like for example, I can just give you one example based on current scenario. Coronavirus is going on now. Suppose one particular person who is not ill or not at all sick, he or she giving fake news that he is ill or sick. Okay, and giving this information in internet. So suppose like this, a huge amount of customers are doing like this kind of fraud things. Okay, so as a result, when government will take that huge amount of data from internet source, the government will invest huge amount of money for that healthcare. And if the data is fake, then in that case the huge amount of investment will go to loss, that might lead to a huge amount of financial loss. Okay, so that quality of the data, if obviously a major challenge in big data, no doubt we need to do some kind of prevention step to detect the fake data. Okay, that is, validity must be there. Okay, we have to validate first the data, so to increase the accuracy. Okay, like here, fake news example I have given in veracity. One more example, fake review of Amazon product. Okay, suppose for example, I am not at all satisfied with one product, but I am giving 5-star review. Okay, due to some other reason I was thinking something else, and just put some random review. Instead of giving one, by mistake I have given 5 and submitted. Okay, so these fake reviews also decrease the quality of our data. Okay, so big data should always have this kind of things, and this is one, obviously one challenge which the big data engineers must handle. Okay, so till now we have studied major 4: volume, veracity, velocity, and variety. Okay, then valency. So this term, if you have studied properly your class 11 12 chemistry course, then I am sure that you have heard this term, valence electron, core electrons. Okay, so what are valence electrons? The electrons present in outermost shell, which participate in bonding, that may be covalent bond or ionic bond, whatever. Okay, valence electrons are the most important electrons for bonding, right? So valence indicates connectedness. Okay, more the connected data, that means more the valence. You can relate, I guess you can relate with chemistry also. Like for valence electron example, I have given electrons available for bonding are called valence electron, which are present in outermost shell. Okay, so this valence indicates connectedness of data. Like two employees belonging from particular organization have higher valence, whereas two employees working in other organization, it you may think that they have lesser valence, but suppose they both are working in Salesforce, or both are working in big data, or both are working in maybe machine learning domain. Okay, they are also connectedness will be there. Okay, so for understanding this kind of organizational behavior of employees or scientists or research, that is to find the connectedness, is also one of the major part of big data. Okay, so big data will give us organizational behavior in this way. As I have just given you example, two employees of same organization have valence. Okay, that is connectedness, that means high valence, and their behavior we can analyze for a particular recommendation or anything else. Okay, these are major 5V of big data: valence, veracity, velocity, variety, volume, and all these combines to value of our data. We have got our data, we have understood that this is a big data problem based on the characteristics 5V's. Now the most important V, heart of big data, is value. Okay, because the data whatever we have got, we have processed up to that, fine, but we need to extract some insight from the data for our business intelligence, for our business development, for our business improvement. Okay, so this is the most important V of our big data, that is value. Processing big data must bring about value from insight gained, okay, which can be used for business development or business intelligence, right? So I hope these are major 6 V's of big data, which is clear to you, the most important characteristics of big data. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.